Welcome to Adult Tax Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your DSLR camera to your PC or laptop to make high quality live stream on Zoom. The whole idea is so simple. We need two things: a USB cable that can link your laptop to the camera, and it's the same USB that's used to transfer files from cameras to laptops or PCs. Second of all, we need to download a camera plugin. Don't worry, I will show you how to download it and for free. Click on the link in the description section and it will take you directly to the website. The download will start automatically. If it didn't, click on download. After you set the file on your desktop, it will look like this: Digicam Control Virtual Web. Before you open the app, make sure that your DSLR camera is linked to your laptop or PC with the USB cable. Open your DSLR camera as if you want to record a video. It will say, "Cannot start live view at current settings" or "under current conditions." Go back to your laptop or PC, open the Digicam Control Virtual Camera Web plugin that you downloaded. When you open it, it will just look like this, where you have multiple choices to control your camera. You can control the shutter speed, the ISO, and the white balance, exposure, and focus mode. To let it work, click on the Start Live View. And you can see now it's working, and with high quality, you can see it, the look is different. Before you open Zoom, make sure that your camera plugin is open as well as your internet connection to open Zoom. Now let's go to Zoom. After you open Zoom, on the home page, click on New Meeting and it will work automatically, as you can see. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful content. If you have anything to say, feel free in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching Adult Tax Tutorials.